So one system that we are demonstrating here at Supercomputing is our SciFlash system, which is in fact based upon the Verdant PCIe flash cards. What we're doing with SciFlash specifically is designing and building a very high IOP data machine for customers who are using specific, say, metadata caches or various file system caches. If you need to provide, say, a terabyte, 10 terabytes, or 100 terabytes of extremely fast caching or extremely fast NFS caching, extremely fast block caching, we can provide that very, very easily and build up very scalable units. In fact, the demonstration that we're running is to demonstrate what we can do with 4K blocks, 70% read, 30% write mix, hitting a pair of Verdant targets within our storage unit. And this is an example that a customer gave us for their block caching on their file system. They asked us what is the maximum IOPS that we can actually sustain with this, and what we're demonstrating in our unit back over here is, this is, as it turns out, the unit itself, the SciFlash unit, but we have several disks within our SciFlash unit, but we have, as it turns out, two of the SLC PCIe cards. Verdant just came out with an MLC version. What we're demonstrating is a sustained about 1 gigabyte a second using 4K blocks. And if you work through the math, that's about 250,000 IOPS on a read side, and on the write side we're doing about 450 million bytes per second, which works out to on the order of about 120,000 IOPS. So sustained, we're about 450,000 IOPS within this one unit, and we can add additional cards to help accelerate these types of metadata operations. So if you have a very large Lustre system, a very large GPFS system, this turns out to be an excellent metadata cache, and it's an excellent file system cache as well, and we can use this for OSSs and OSTs as well as other targets. So that is a great example of the direct application of SciFlash, and we're happy to talk to anybody about this.